Find easy Halloween recipes. As the holidays approach, we all wish to inspire a new theme or treat to give the holiday a new wrinkle. Are we going to ask Grandma to make our treats? Do we just buy them from the local supermarket? No. This Halloween, let's find some recipes that fill the desires of our holiday guests who meet us at the door. It's a good thing that most of us can follow a recipe. We have all seen our mothers and grandmothers bake and cook during our childhood. This has given us a sense of what is involved with making a recipe. First, where do we find the right recipe to give us the boost we need to make our new treat? Well, our mother always seemed to have some good recipes. However, we'd like to do this on our own this time. Let's take a trip to the library or search the internet for some great baking ideas. When searching the cookbooks in the library, we will want to look for recipes that deal strictly with holidays. It wouldn't be a good idea to serve lasagna to our little pirates, elves, and ghosts. Cookies, cakes and candies are always a favorite this time of year. If you want a quicker and easier way to search the myriad of recipes available, you might want to try the internet. If you're handy and can negotiate through the recipes, then this could be the best way to make your treats a reality. Just type in Halloween, Christmas, or Thanksgiving treats into the subject line and away you go. Now, let's narrow down the search a bit. Thousands of websites give us a vast choice of recipes from which to choose. It's always nice to choose a website that you can bookmark and save to favorites so that you can come back to it easily. If we're looking for baked goods, it's easier to type in our specific holiday, which is Halloween in this case. We'll find all kinds of pumpkin breads, popcorn balls, witch and black cat cookies, and a host of recipes for candies. Let's choose cookies this time. Since we're not all seasoned bakers, let's choose no-fuss pumpkin cookies for our holiday treat. Pumpkin cookies are easy to make and can be decorated with black, white, and orange icing. It's creative and fun to decorate your cookies with scary faces and shapes. Have you ever seen a 5-year-old turn down a cookie shaped like a cat with black eyes and tail? Now, just follow the recipe and you're home free. You've made a new treat that will thrill the neighborhood and have them talking until the next season.